Yes, maybe I will dirt on my hands, but I don't bother. Really, I don't. Okay, so let me ease and turn this a little. And remember, this is now you can see it's very strong color. Okay, we are doing this. Okay, let's see. What, Jimmy? Okay, now we are going to make one thing. Okay, for me it's enough at this point. Let's clean the brush and let's show you guys. You see, so we are starting to get a nice definition there. Now with more pure red, let's go. Start to correct. Okay. Yes. Don't worry if you put too much of this, because then later with the black, so we are staying here on this video and we are going later again. So this is how it's going to stay for the first video. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing all around, then I will show you. I start painting